In the infinite tapestry of the cosmos, our Milky Way galaxy emerges as a luminous jewel, surrounded by a vast expanse of stars and celestial phenomena. Yet, it is not alone in this grand universe. One of its most captivating neighbors is the Andromeda galaxy, a spiral giant that lies approximately 2.537 million light-years away. This magnificent cosmic structure is not merely an ornament in the night sky. It represents a gateway to understanding the universe's formation and destiny. As we delve into the intricacies of Andromeda, we uncover a tale of beauty, chaos, and an inevitable collision that promises to alter the fates of both Andromeda and the Milky Way. What secrets lie within its glowing arms, and how will our galaxy's intertwined futures reshape our understanding of the cosmos? The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31, stretches an impressive 220,000 light-years in diameter, making it the largest member of our local group of galaxies. With an estimated population of over 1 trillion stars, Andromeda dwarfs the Milky Way, which is home to about 100 to 400 billion stars. Its spiral structure is characterized by sweeping arms that swirl outward from a bright, densely packed core. These arms are not merely decorative. They harbor stellar nurseries, regions rich in gas and dust where new stars are born. It's a place where gravity reigns supreme, drawing together cosmic materials into ever denser clumps until the heat and pressure ignite nuclear fusion, birthing new stars into the universe. The diversity of stellar populations within Andromeda tells a story of cosmic history, a timeline etched in light that spans billions of years, showcasing both ancient stars and youthful luminaries shining brightly against the cosmic backdrop. Throughout history, Andromeda has captured the human imagination, inspiring tales of heroism and mystery. The ancient Greeks revered it, linking it to the myth of Princess Andromeda, a figure whose fate was forever intertwined with the stars. For centuries, Andromeda remained an enigma, a smudge of light in the dark expanse of the sky. It wasn't until the 10th century that the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi provided one of the first detailed observations, referring to it as a little cloud. This simple description would later evolve into a complex understanding as astronomers advanced their tools and techniques. The pivotal moment came in the 1920s, when Edwin Hubble, through meticulous observations of Cepheid variable stars within Andromeda, revealed its true nature, a separate galaxy, not just a distant nebula. This groundbreaking discovery not only redefined our understanding of Andromeda, but also fundamentally altered humanity's place in the cosmos, positioning us amidst a vast multiverse of galaxies. Today, with the advent of cutting-edge telescopes and advanced imaging techniques, our knowledge of Andromeda continues to expand. The Hubble Space Telescope has provided breathtaking views of its intricate features, revealing not just its starry inhabitants, but also the complex dynamics of its gas and dust. Recent research has illuminated the presence of an extensive dark matter halo surrounding Andromeda, a vast, invisible structure that plays a crucial role in its gravitational stability. Dark matter, which comprises approximately 27% of the universe's total mass energy content, shapes the motions of stars within the galaxy and influences the overall structure of galaxies. Understanding this elusive component is essential for comprehending how galaxies form and evolve, and Andromeda serves as a crucial laboratory for these investigations. But perhaps the most exhilarating aspect of Andromeda lies in its future, a future that is inexorably linked to our own Milky Way. Current astronomical models suggest that in about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will collide in a cataclysmic event that will reshape both structures. As Andromeda draws closer, the gravitational forces between our galaxies will initiate a breathtaking interaction, an intricate dance of stars and gas that will unfold over millions of years. This impending collision is not merely a clash of matter, but a profound transformation that will redefine the nature of both galaxies. As Andromeda approaches, the gravitational pull will begin to distort both galaxies, creating massive tidal forces that ripple through their structures. Gas clouds will compress and collide, igniting a surge of star formation in a dazzling display of cosmic fireworks. This process of star birth amidst chaos will lead to an explosion of new stellar populations, with clusters of young stars illuminating the night sky in vibrant hues. Over time, Andromeda and the Milky Way will pass through each other multiple times, exchanging stars and gas in a dynamic interplay of cosmic forces. Eventually, these majestic galaxies will coalesce into a single, larger entity, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. This new galaxy will be a beautiful amalgamation of stellar populations, nebulae, and potentially new solar systems, showcasing the remarkable resilience and creativity of the universe. But what does this grand cosmic collision mean for our own solar system? By the time the Andromeda-Milky Way merger occurs, the Sun will have undergone significant changes, transforming into a red giant. The fate of Earth and its neighboring planets remains uncertain. They could either be ejected into the intergalactic void or become part of the newly formed galaxy. The gravitational upheaval caused by the merger may disrupt planetary orbits, leading to a dramatic reconfiguration of the solar system. Despite the potential for upheaval, this event also represents a unique opportunity for the formation of new solar systems, perhaps even the conditions for life to arise anew in distant worlds. Imagine a future where the night sky transforms dramatically, Andromeda looming large, its spiral arms stretching across the heavens in a breathtaking display. The sight of billions of new stars igniting, juxtaposed against the fading light of older stars, would create a celestial masterpiece that could be seen from distant worlds. As cosmic phenomena unfold, humanity, if it still exists, would gaze upward, witnessing a cosmic spectacle that serves as a reminder of the universe's grandeur and our fragile place within it. This grand transformation would inspire generations to come, igniting the curiosity and wonder that drives our quest for knowledge and understanding. As we look to the future, the pursuit of knowledge about Andromeda and its cosmic counterparts continues to ignite the passion of astronomers around the world. With missions like the James Webb Space Telescope set to explore the distant reaches of space, we stand on the brink of unprecedented discoveries. These missions aim to deepen our understanding of galaxy formation, evolution, and the interplay of cosmic forces that govern the universe. Each new revelation enhances our comprehension of the intricate relationships between galaxies, illuminating the pathways of stellar birth and death and the cycles of creation that define the cosmos. The Andromeda Galaxy is more than just a neighboring celestial body. It embodies the potential for renewal and transformation within the universe. As we contemplate the impending collision, we are reminded of the vast timescales and dynamic forces that shape the cosmos. Our journey through this universe is one of exploration and discovery, where every star, every galaxy, and every cosmic event weaves together a story, an intricate narrative that connects us all. What mysteries await us in the dance of galaxies, and how will they shape our understanding of existence? Only time will reveal these answers. But one thing is certain: the universe is an ever-unfolding story, and we are fortunate to be part of it. We are not mere observers, but active participants in the grand cosmic tapestry, where each moment holds the potential for discovery and understanding.